guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ife from Ife's Kitchen. Welcome back, and today we're going to be making native jollof rice, also known as local jollof rice here in Nigeria. So let's get right into the video. For ingredients, I need my palm oil, my freshly chopped vegetable, which I'm using Ugwu, freshly chopped onion, freshly chopped Scotch bonnet, ginger and garlic, my dried fish, my meat stock, grinded cray fish, my rice, and a little bit of tomato paste. So let's get right into the video. I'll start by adding my oil into a clean pot and letting it fry for a bit. So now it's really hot, so I'm going to start by adding my chopped onion into the oil, and I will stir it and add my chopped ginger and garlic as well. Stir it a bit and let it fry for about 30 seconds, after which I will then add my tomato paste and I will let it fry for about 10 minutes, approximately 10 minutes. And now you can see I'm trying to see if my tomato paste has fried to my preference, in which it has. So I will then start by adding my white pepper. I'm using white pepper, so I'll add that in, stir it a bit, and also I will add my grinded cray fish to it as well, and I'm going to stir it a bit. So I'm going to stir it a bit, and after that I will add my freshly chopped Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm going to stir that and let it fry for a bit. So after that I will add my dried fish, and I'm also using Pomo as well, so I'll add that to it, stir it and let it cook for about 5 minutes, and then I will add my meat stock to it as well, and I will stir that, and then it's time for me to season. So I'm going to be using 2 seasoning cubes, and I'm going to add that to it, and a little bit of salt. Guys, I didn't use all the salt, but oh well, I did. So a little bit of salt, and I will stir that, and then I will add my water into it and allow to boil for a while. So allow my sauce to boil for a while before I put my rice in it. So now it is boiling, as you can see. So my rice, I have already added it into the pot, and now I will just stir, after which I will cover and let to cook for about 30 minutes. So I'll let it cook. Now you can see my rice is almost ready. My native jollof rice is almost ready. So I'm just going to try and taste it and see if all the seasoning I use was incorporated into the rice, and I'm going to cover it again and let it dry. Now my rice is ready, it's dried already, so I'm going to add my already chopped Ugwu leaf. It's also a vegetable, my already chopped Ugwu leaf, and I will stir that for a while. And really, I don't like my Ugwu to be soft, but so I just turned down the heat as well, just switched off the heat, and I covered it for a while. So after that I will just open it after a while and just stir it, and that's all. My native jollof rice is ready, guys. You can see it looks so nice and yummy and well cooked, and I like the way the Scotch bonnet was obvious in the rice. So guys, I hope you try this out. Tell me what you think about it, and show me other ways in which I can make my native jollof rice. So please guys, leave a comment down below, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next one.